Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world through sustainable adventures. Today, we're diving into eco-friendly travel hacks to make your journeys not only memorable but also environmentally conscious. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how you can reduce your carbon footprint while exploring the wonders of the world. Hey there, eco-adventurers! I'm thrilled to share some incredible tips with you today. Are you ready to make a positive impact on our planet while still indulging in exciting travels? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about packing smart. Opt for reusable items like stainless steel water bottles, bamboo cutlery, and eco-friendly toiletries. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also saves you money in the long run. By investing in reusable products, you're not only reducing single-use plastic waste but also ensuring you have everything you need for your adventure without harming the environment. Next on our list is transportation. Consider alternatives such as biking, walking, or using public transportation whenever possible. If you must drive, carpooling or renting a fuel-efficient vehicle can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. Exploring a new destination on two wheels not only allows you to experience it up close but also helps minimize pollution. Plus, it's a fantastic way to stay active and immerse yourself in nature. When it comes to accommodation, choose eco-friendly options such as eco-lodges, sustainable hotels, or even camping in designated areas. Look for certifications like LEED or Green Key to ensure your stay aligns with your values. Staying at eco-friendly accommodations not only supports businesses committed to sustainability but also provides a unique and immersive experience. You'll often find these places nestled in breathtaking natural settings, offering a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level. Lastly, let's talk about responsible tourism. Respect the local culture, wildlife, and environment by staying on designated trails, avoiding single-use plastics, and supporting local businesses and artisans. By immersing ourselves in the local culture, respecting the environment, and supporting local communities, we can create meaningful connections and leave a positive impact wherever we go. Remember, every small action counts when it comes to sustainable travel. By implementing these eco-friendly travel hacks, we can protect our planet while creating unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Until next time, happy and sustainable travels. Subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly travel tips and adventures.